Good afternoon there, Modern Muscle 365. This is Kevin. Obviously with the weather we're not doing no demon driving, but do got the Duramax out. As you can see, there's plenty of snow for April. Ain't that wonderful looking thing? Yeah. So anyways, I figured I'd actually make a video a little bit more like informative of like how you could save a lot of money on a GM product. How I saved probably about $14,000 off sticker on my truck. Which for one, no one ever gives a sticker, but if you get yourself the GM card, and then GM will send you these in the mail every so often, and they'll give you an extra $1,000. So like if you wanted to get a new Z06 or just a regular half ton, anything GM. You'll save the money. Just with different price vehicles, you can get better deals. First, you always go, like for trucks, I found if you always buy February of the following year, you get your better deals. Because it's like the last of their inventory and they're wanting to get rid of them. It's nothing to see, 10,000. Pretty much off sticker, and then with one of these GM cards, you can use every point you make on it. So like even if you ain't super rich or anything, you just have all your bills and you take and put your bills on that card and just pay the card. Either way, you got to pay something anyway. So if you did it like that, it doesn't take long to accumulate, up a good sum of money. On this truck, they took $6,000 from just my GM points, which was, nice. It's a big savings. It also helps you with, like a lot of times GM dealerships will give you option of 0% financing or take their rebate. Well, if you got this, you can take the 0% financing plus take, the rebate, or you can take the pass on their rebate and just use your GM points rather than have to miss out on that 0% financing, because 0% financing at the end of 60 months or whatever you go, 72, you could end up saving $3, $4, $5, $6,000 depending on what your interest rate would end up being without it. But you definitely save a lot of money if you can get one at 0%. So I just figured that was what I'd make a video of today, since obviously with the weather and nothing else. But I do got since we are in the Duramax, driving Duramax, I got a set of wheels that possibly we'll be putting on this week for this truck. And then if they don't fit this truck, I'll be showing, hopefully if the weather's good. Obviously I want to make demon content, but I do have another truck that I will be bringing out on the channel this week, and I'll be putting the tires on there if this don't work. So yeah, got plenty of stuff coming. I did get the demon crate ordered. That is coming. I did get the authentic package, all the everything you get for the buck. I did go with the car cover too, just 'cause I think that's pretty cool. And also, just as far as like talking to demon, all these videos are just showing it getting its ass whooped, easy. I don't know. I'm sure, there's something to it, because I watched Parker's video and his Huracan's, VF supercharged. Obviously, it's going to pull away on top end. The demon's not geared for it, but for, even some of this roll racing, I noticed people put in that their other cars were spinning, but no one ever mentions that the demon's spinning, except for drag time did. Go on, set it. So I don't know. I can't wait. I'm not too shook about it. I know SRT Mush, he'll be at the call out representing the demons very well. Obviously probably better than most. He's really into it, and shit. you know, as far as me, he's got me by 100 pounds, so obviously he should go make his car, you know, rocket. So, anyways, that's just my tidbit on the all this demon controversy of, you know, whether it's slow or not. Obviously, it's not slow. It's just, I think the way they race some of them, and I don't know. I think you got to get taken off at the same time. So we'll see. I mean, there'll be lots of content on that. I mean, obviously, I got races set up for mine. So that's all I wanted to share on that, is just a few tidbits on it. But yeah, I don't know, you know, there's all of them, you know, Corvette, Cruise, Equinox, Law, Express, Impala, Spark, Suburban, Tahoe, Traverse, Trax, Volt. So pretty much any GM vehicle you want, you know. And like I said, I bought this truck and this 3-4 months ago, and right now I could go buy another vehicle and save $2,000, but obviously I'm gonna save up for a while until I get my points back up to around, you know, probably 6,000-8,000, and then that's when I'll buy another vehicle, another GM product, and then I'll, you know, try to find the best deal I can, try to get the rebates, and, you know, probably could save up to 20,000 off a brand new vehicle. I mean, like right now, if I went and found a, you know, I found dealerships end of last summer that, you know, would sell like a ZL1 at pretty much right at 59-ish, you know, and if I'd have took $6,000 off, I mean, car down to 53, I mean, it's a pretty sweet deal. You can't even find them used for that. So that's just a little food for thought for you guys. So if you do like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and please subscribe, and if you want more content like this, then let me know. Thanks.